Hi, how are you? This morning we're going to learn a new lesson about animals and nature. Animals and nature. This is on page 208. And we're going to learn the sentences, and then I want you to practice the sentences. Zoos around the world have bears, deer, elephant, giraffe, kangaroos, lions, and zebras. Again, zoos around the world have bears, deer, elephant, giraffe, kangaroos, lions, and zebras. Number 2. We have a curious male cat and a female dog and horses. We have what? A cat, boy. A dog, girl. And horses that are very curious. Let's try that again. We have what? A cat, boy. A dog, girl. And horses that are very curious. The next one. Protect the environment. Environment, you protect. Guard against it. Squirrels, owls live in trees. Trees live what? Squirrels and owls. Again, trees live what? Squirrels and owls. Next one. Todd likes eagles, foxes, monkeys, rabbits, tigers, turkeys, and turtles. Todd, T-O-D-D, likes what? Eagles, foxes, monkeys. You can do like monkeys like this, apes like this, rabbits, tigers, turkeys, and turtles. Again, Todd likes eagles. He likes what? Excuse me. Eagles, foxes, monkeys, rabbits. You can do rabbits this way also and this way. Tigers, turkeys, and turtles. Next one. Chickens, cows, ducks, and goats were there on the land. So now this is bird and this is chicken. So chicken is different from bird in the fact that you're eating the food. And then this is cows, ducks. Goats is old and stupid. We're on the land. Again, chickens, cows, ducks, and goats were where? There, on the land. Now your L hand is going over your left hand because this is where your landforms are. Land, and then spread out the dirt. Again, land, and spread out the dirt. Chickens, cows, ducks, and goats were there on the what? The land. Next one. Look at all the wonderful colors together. Green grass, white clouds, blue sky, and flower gardens. So it's saying to you, wonderful colors are what? Look, they're all together. The grass, that's green. The clouds that are white. The sky, that's blue. And the garden with the flowers. Again, look. All the beautiful, wonderful colors. This is colors. Together. The grass, that's green. The clouds that are white. sky that's blue, and the garden with flowers. Again, look. Oh, the wonderful colors together with the grass that's green, the clouds that are white, the sky that's blue, and the garden flowers. Last one. The bug climbed between the rocks. So now we have the bug. This is bug. The bug climbed where? Rocks between. Again, the bugs climbed where? The rocks between. Next is finger spelling. Bell, B-E-L-L. Deforest, D-E-F-O-R-E-S-T. Aristotle, A-R-I-S-T-O-T-L-E. Planck, P-L-A-N-C-K. Cromwell, C-R-O-M-W-E-L-L. Van Gogh, V-A-N-G-O-G-H. Urban, U-R-B-A-N. Edison, E-D-I-S-O-N. Augustine, A-U-G-U-S-T-I-N-E. Moses, M-O-S-E-S. Monet, M-O-N-E-T. Calvin, C-A-L-V-I-N. Rockwell, R-O-C-K-W-E-L-L. Harvey, H-A-R-V-E-Y. Pupin, P-U-P-I-N. St. Paul, S-T-P-A-U-L. Caesar, C-A-E-S-A-R. Homer, H-O-M-E-R. Bach, B-A-C-H. Newton, N-E-W-T-O-N. Bequel, B-E-C-Q-U-E-R-E-L. Hammond, H-A-M-M-O-N-D. Picasso, P-I-C-A-S-S-O. Wright, W-R-I-G-H-T. Plato, P-L-A-T-O. Bolivar, B-O-L-I-V-A-R. Gutenberg, G-U-T-E-N-B-U-R-G. Roten, R-O-N-T-G-E-N. Morse, M-O-R-S-E. Einstein, E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N. Bonaparte, B-O-N-A-P-A-R-T-E. Beethoven, B-E-E-T-H-O-V-E-N. Locke, L-O-C-K-E. Columbus, C-O-L-U-M-B-U-S. Mundell, M-E-N-D-E-L. Alexanderson, A-L-E-X-A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N. Pasteur, P-A-S-T-E-U-R. Shakespeare, S-H-A-K-E-S-P-E-A-R-E. Fleming, F-L-E-M-I-N-G. Morton, M-O-R-T-O-N. Michelangelo, M-I-C-H-E-L-A-N-G-E-L-O. Rubens, R-U-B-E-N-S. All right, now you're turning to page number 216, and there you are to choose the matching skills. This section is use standard matching techniques. See if you can match the signs with the words by writing the correct word next to the sign. And there you see the sign, the word, and the choices are on your right side. Please fill that in and send that to me, and sign those sentences to me. And then fill in the blanks. You must fill in the blanks for all the ones that are not there, and that's on page 213, 214, 215, and then 216 is your end test. And that will be your test for lesson number 12. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful time learning animals. Here we go. Animals and nature. Bye.